vlog. Today we're gonna be making acai bowls.
No, that's not what we're doing today. Welcome guys back to the vlog. Today, drum roll please. We're going camping.
In the van.
In the van. What
Yeah,
are we making for dinner tonight, Casey?
Ballpark beef franks over the fire.
Casey's excited about hot dogs. Big hot dog guy recently. He does
She won't
care
let me
about his
have any.
health.
That's the reason I want to try them, because she won't let me have any.
He's had like 3 this past month.
That's not a lot.
This is not going in there. This is gonna be edited out. Okay. Anyways, we're going camping in the van. We're so excited. Taking you along. For now, we're driving to North Georgia.
First stop, most important stop, Gangcha.
Boba tea. Made it. We are at Cloudland. We're trying to find the entrance. We parked somewhere random where a bunch of other cars were. So we really just need a grill or a fire pit to cook our food on and somewhere to park for sleep.
We're gonna survive.
Turkey wieners.
Schnitzels.
The fire does look pretty good though, Casey. Good job.
You'd be burning.
How are we gonna like flip these though?
Fork.
Oh, true.
She's just putting them away like a sassy girl. Like a sassy girl. Cutting them in two, now in one.
If I leave the audio on this, it's gonna be really funny of you.
Chop. Chop.
Sloppy Joes, baby. Dinner, and then we came back to the little sunset spot, and you guys, it is so pretty. So pretty. Just look. Just took some pictures of me, and
Oh, you'll see them on the gram.
they look amazing. He did really good. We're in the van going to sleep now. This thing is our little fan that keeps us cool. And we have another fan right there, and then we have these LED lights that we turn on while we're getting ready for bed. And this is the setup. It's pretty good, you guys. That's all. Oh no. We're going to bed now. Good night. Good morning. Sleepy boy. Let's see how crusty I look. Crusty girl from sleeping in the bed. Guys, it is day 2 of our camping trip. We are driving back to where we made a fire yesterday so we can make coffee and breakfast. And I just kind of got ready, did a little dry shampoo, brushed my teeth. We are gonna hike down to the waterfall literally all day. I know one time we brought a camera into the water at the waterfall here and got really cool pictures because we like waited out there, but if there's a ton of people down there, I don't think I want to do that because I don't want to drop my camera. Anyways, gonna go make breakfast. Ooh, pretty. A lot. There's not a lot left for you now.
That's right.
It's kind
Is it hot? Ah,
I'll make more.
that's what we're looking for.
So we're on the trail. How we feeling?
Let's count. 45.
Casey's counting how many steps we walked down because the entire way down, his steps like this.
40.
Jess, lots of roots, rocks. Don't want to snap bank. So we have Waterfall, 3 miles. I didn't realize it was that far. It says Waterfall this way. Check. We swam again, took some more pictures. Now we're eating the peanut butter sandwiches that we made, some bird bars, and the kombucha that I brought, and then we're going back to the car to go home.
We're surviving. We're making it.
It's great. We're not surviving, we're thriving.